Hi people, again I wanted to show you how I was able to assign and change shortcut keywords in application Modo, because now I use the command C to use a feature called edge collapse. I would like to show you how you can do that, because it is possible, so you don't have to waste your time. For example, I want to use this to speed up workflow. Mesh modeling operations, remove. You don't have to do that. You can speed the things up. We have got different commands, keyboard or commands, keyboard shortcuts, categories, layout, model view options, scripts, tools. Oh, I can see some other details. Oh, I have command delete. Oh, delete. Interesting. But I don't know if this applies for edges. I have to check something, because G command is for edge slice. I would like to check this command. Delete or backspace. I must check if this command really works. Does this command really? Oh, it works. But I don't know if I was able to remove vertices. We also have command delete. Oh, actually, it works okay. But I don't know if this removes the unnecessary vertices. But to be honest with you, I must double check if backspace command removes the vertices. Actually, it is removing vertices. I don't have any vertices. Okay, let's check. You can see some interesting commands, and also you can also remap commands, vertices. But the thing is, I have to find some other commands. Tools, loop slice, alt C, move tool. I want to assign a command for vertex for this. Target wide. I don't know command for wide. Okay, looks like if you double click, you can change. What command? Control E. Now we change. Okay, let's check if this works. Control E. It is similar to what I have done in Blender. We assigned similar keyboard shortcuts. Control E. I have to change. I forgotten. You double click this. Control R. Control R. Because I use the completely different keyboard shortcuts, people. But the thing is, oh, I can also check show unmapped commands. Oh, this is actually amazing. Drag nav tool. What about command weld? Do I have weld command? Okay, let's check this. Weld. I'm thinking what to do. Maybe B command. Nothing happens. Maybe because nothing happens. I don't know why. Maybe this I have to find this command. I want this command to be assigned. I will show you in a minute. Let's check categories and modeling, mesh. What about polygons? Vertices? I found something interesting, but I can't see option weld. I cannot get why I don't see weld command. This is supposed to be here. But merge is nothing to do what I was looking for. But actually, I could assign command. You can also turn vertices on or off. And let's check if command V will work for vertices. This could be useful. Okay, this value is significant. I think that's fine. This is what I needed. Okay. I cannot get why this value seems to be up because this was only 1 millimeter. That's fine. Okay, after that we will be able to check how this will work. I think I should check if I can add weld command. But first of all, I will assign keyboard shortcut V. Oh, I didn't see this option before. This is quite interesting. Oh no. Okay, I understand now. Oh, this actually works. I'm happy, people, because we were able to able to successfully assign new keyboard shortcut, but I don't see command weld. Maybe new key. I don't think that it would be here. Global. I have to think what to do because I cannot see. I see missing. I don't see weld option. Maybe legacy. Probably edges. No edges. Don't have this. Okay, after that, you will be able to use the command. At least this option works. Not too fast, but it is still working okay. And I hope you like my video tutorial how to assign the shortcuts and commands in application Modo. It works slightly different than in Blender. Okay, I just have to clean up polygon. This operation speeds modeling, and I hope you like my video tutorial. Have a nice evening, guys.